trying to get at least an hour in today. Training for a 10K right now.
So right now we're going up to one of the trails that is very windy, and this is where I'm just like contemplating like which way I'm gonna go. So yeah, at this point I was just switching
Just going
gears
up right now to
just going up this straight
trail
part.
where we can climb for a really long time, or pretty good time, half a mile, and then go down it. It's probably one of my favorite trails in Colorado Springs. We're already at 2.6 right now miles. I'll cut to that when we get there, but we're about a mile and a half away from where we cut off, so yeah. Just getting in deep gear right now. So this is an up and down trail too in Colorado Springs. And we'll be up and down for a little bit. Oh, I'm tired. There is a part coming up for the trail that I'm going to go on, and there's been a lot of people saying that there's a tree in the middle of the road, in the middle of the trail. So I'm kind of scared, but I guess if I crash, I'll record it. So, and maybe I might be a wuss and I might just use my brakes the whole time. I'm not sure, but I'm not sure how close it is. I feel like it's right here, but it's not. some momentum. Yeah, it's not ready yet. I think we still have like either 0.25 or something. Honestly, I'm kind of scared for going down this trail because I kind of know the layout, but I'm not sure where. Oh crap. Well, did I go past it? I don't remember this trail. And it's probably gonna be up here more, I guess. I don't remember that part right there, where it comes out of this clearing. Oh, it's gonna be over here. I think it's called, oh, I don't know what it's called. I swear. This is so annoying, I don't remember it. I got into gear, and now my legs are kind of dead. So, oh, this is it. On the side, on the right, my favorite trail, downhill. I just adjust the camera real quick so you guys can see what's going on every once in a while. .33. I'm scared what this tree is. Oh, that might be it right there. I don't know. I'm kind of feeling like bad trash. Oh! Yeah, I love that. Oh. The rain has really taken down these trails. I really want to know where this tree is, but I'm not sure. That was it down there. No. The brakes, but this is still fun. Just not using this bike. Full suspension. not sure where that tree was. Maybe there never was a tree. Hey there. That couldn't be bad. Well, I haven't seen a trail yet, or a tree yet. I think I have to go the other way. Yeah. It is nice. I think I have to go the other way though. I'm not even sure where these trails go. Trying to, you know what? We'll just go this way and see what happens. Oh, I don't want to go this way. I think I've already gone this way like 10 times. This is probably going to be going towards the neighborhoods a little bit more. Almost the same way of that one trail we just went down. It's actually further this way. I remember the trails. Sometimes for cross country we actually run up here. It's pretty nice. This is gonna be fun going down. Coming down! I need to turn my bike thing on with the noise thing.